When an espresso enthusiast hears the name La Marzocco, they'll often smile and speak about fond memories of their favorite cafe. You can find La Marzocco's commercial line in just about any major city worldwide. Founded in 1927, their reputation for exquisite design and handcrafted excellence has made them a standout leader in the world of specialty coffee. Hi, I'm August with Clive Coffee. With me today is the stunning Linea Mini, and I'll be taking us through a brief overview of this iconic espresso machine. Let's take a look. This eye-catching machine draws on the well-loved and immediately recognizable design of the original 2 and 3 group commercial Linea Classic. The Linea Mini is a single group machine that exudes handmade Italian heritage while maintaining top-notch commercial performance and durability. It's designed to be compact for the home barista's kitchen, with commercial capabilities for those who might just need a single group machine for their pop-up cart or commercial shop. The La Marzocco Linea Mini might be small in size, but it certainly packs a punch. This machine stands at 15 inches tall, 14 inches wide, 21 inches deep, saving a nice amount of counter space for your grinder and all of your essential accessories to be just within reach. If you're concerned about cabinet height, the Linea Mini's hidden front-loading reservoir is the perfect solution. Simply remove the magnetically attached drip tray to access its internal 2-liter reservoir. If you prefer a direct connection, La Marzocco offers a separate plumbing kit that's simple to install. The Linea Mini's massive 3.5-liter stainless steel steam boiler provides more than enough capacity for a small shop or coffee cart to steam through a line of lattes without skipping a beat. The Linea Mini also features a heat exchange style brew boiler, which means that the steam boiler preheats the brewing water before making its way through the boiler to the group head. With this unique design, your brew temperature will be consistent shot after shot. In recent years, La Marzocco added Bluetooth connectivity to the Linea Mini, giving you quick access to your machine while home or even on the go. Within the app, you can manage the boiler temperature, program pre-infusion, and view machine statistics. You can also remotely power on or off your machine, as well as set a schedule, giving you a level of control that makes every morning feel like an efficient and seamless experience. As if the machine itself weren't enough, La Marzocco also includes a complete kit of professional accessories that match the machine perfectly. Within the accessory box, you'll find a convex stainless steel tamper, 12-ounce steaming pitcher, full-size bottle of cleaning detergent, as well as a comprehensive water testing kit. From day one, you'll have everything you need to get started. If you're searching for your forever machine, the La Marzocco Linea Mini is engineered to last a lifetime. Every component is robust and well-made, both internally and externally. The Linea Mini is lovingly considered to be the home barista's dream machine. From its innovative app connectivity to its iconic design and spotless reputation, this machine is sure to impress. Have you been eyeing the Linea Mini? We'd love to hear from you. Leave any thoughts or questions in the comments, and let's keep this conversation going. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more coffee know-how, and we'll see you next time.